We are in the second session of software engineering. As you know, we are in the first chapter, that is the introduction to software engineering. Yesterday we have covered two topics, that is the evolving role of software engineering and second topic, the definition. Hope you have understood yesterday's discussion. We will begin with today's topic, that is the changing nature of software. As you know, software is of various types and categories. We can broadly classify the software into the 7 categories. For example, we have listed here the various categories of software. To begin with, we have system software. Second, application software. These two softwares you have studied earlier in the previous semesters. Next is engineering and scientific software. Fourth is embedded software. Fifth, product line software. Sixth, web application software. And seventh, artificial intelligence software. So these are the 7 categories of computer software. Now we will study one by one in detail. First is the system software. As you know, system software is a set of programs which directly interact with the hardware of the computer or computer system. So in that also we got 2 categories of software. So the system software, it is collection of program written to service other programs. For example, you are well aware about the system software like compiler. Compiler translates a high level program into low level program at one go and gives the list of errors. Also you are aware about the editor. Editor allows you to write program lines and make changes into them if required. We have got file management utilities. So these type of system software, operate upon the determinate data, whereas some other system software such as operating system, components, drivers, and system software, etc., interacts with indeterminate data. That is, we do not know at what time what data is going to come. Such a application is called as interdependent data. Next, we will go to the next category, that is application software. You know, the application software is written to solve a particular problem. So this is the software written to solve the business problem or any other problem. So it consists of standalone program. That it is an independent program set which solve specific business need. They also process business or technical data. So whatever we have studied mostly is the business application or application software. So conventional data processing, real-time data processing, or any business data application areas is the application software. Next category, third category is engineering and scientific software. You know, in engineering and in scientific area, you have to deal with big numbers, okay, and large calculations. So, engineering and scientific applications are special areas which are categorized by number crunching algorithms. That is, algorithms which help us to manipulate very large numbers. For example, computer aided design today or systems simulation are the areas, okay, related to scientific and engineering applications. Next, we have got embedded software. As the very meaning of this is that software resides in a particular device to help to carry out its operation. So embedded software resides within a product, okay, or product system, and is used to implement and control the operations of that device. Okay. For example, you can take microwave oven keypad. So there is a software in the micro oven, okay, which will help you to carry out operations as desired by the user. Next, we'll go to product line software. So this is designed to provide specific capability for use by many different customers. Okay, so here it focuses on the limited functions and addresses mass consumer market. For example, word processing software, which will help you to carry out word processing activity. For example, you know MS Word, okay, or other software is spreadsheet software, which will help you to process the data which can be arranged in terms of rows and columns, or even computer graphics. Okay, so these address a small area and reach the wide customer base. Next, we have a web applications. Today, you know, it is a era of internet. Okay, everyone, whether in the school, college, they access internet, and the applications which run on internet are the web applications. So, web applications, as you know, cover very wide range of application areas for the electronic commerce. Also, business to business applications, okay, is the area which is very popular today. For the corporate business, we have got web applications which are evolving, are giving large facility for the people to address our issues. So this is growing into sophisticated computing environment. They also are integrated with corporate database. Hence, anyone in the world can communicate with anyone or carry out business with any person in other part of the world with the help of web applications. And the last category is artificial intelligence software. Today, we know that artificial intelligence has spanned every area. Okay, many of the devices, okay, are using artificial intelligence. AI software, okay, makes use of non-numerical algorithms. That is, here numbers are not there. Okay, they help to solve complex programs. The application areas of AI, as you know very well, they include the robotics. Robots are applied everywhere. The robots run on the AI software. Also, the expert system, okay, which will help you to solve particular problem. Even AI software is used for theorem solving, game playing, etc. So these are 7 broad categories of software that we have. So if you got any doubts in this, okay, I am sending the PDF, I am sending the question bank. If you want anything, you can ask me. I hope you have understood this. Thank you.